in my own family, very close, happening, sudden episodes are happening because of an emotional precipitation, but they get out of it very beautifully because it's not getting stuck. And the emotions get stuck inside your body because of your eaten meal. Do you want more proof? Gluten in them gets stuck. You cannot. Rajan got well because she initiated the fruit couple of weeks back. So the body took the chance to cleanse. And the nervous system cannot take that load of toxin because he did it at a stretch. And also the nervous system was going on artificial energy of alcohol. So when he reduced it, there was jamming. And still because of his Marxism and the thought, he doesn't want to take the trouble. How many times I called him, he's a best friend of mine. Her husband. But achieved, no? Rational thinking. I know who is wrong. Ye, wo, ka, ku, ki, communism. Everybody, rest of the world. So when we let everybody give space to people, give space, energy to people, and you give space, energy, time to your body. And the easiest thing to resolve is what to eat, when to eat, how much to eat. Now, we do not know where your petrol tank is, you do not know what the oil tank is, you do not know where to put the water, you do not know anything. We are guiding you. Now what we are doing, because you do not know, you are putting it in the oil tank, the water tank, petrol, water, confused, and the driver doesn't know which direction you are going. Wow. And we describe our body as a mission. So you had made your body as a mission. The difference is your body is self-regulating, self-sustaining, self-healing, and self-progressing. You don't have to do anything. The less you do, the better it is. It can live, as he said, completely on not even sunlight. Our rishis, Ramana Maharishi, sat underneath the ground. Your own breath you can circulate. That is why people have been in samadhi and come out. Probably that's what Christ did. The whole of physical self poured out, the spirit came back. And which can revive the body. We have seen it. We have seen it in front of us, apart from Vangini, where all this place that she is calling 35 years before, Government of India in its own magnanimity cut all the forest and gave the land as freedom fighters. So they made all the money out of the forest, and the freedom fighters, maybe naturally they were simple nice folk, they don't know how to maintain that way. So all the erosion has happened. Okay, and in the moment I got the place, I just put the fencing. By putting the fencing, the tree grew back after 40 years. So look at the power of nature. Look at my luck to witness each and every one of it. And very recently, 3 years back, the landlord of my daughter, they cut the moringa tree completely. And it was full of flowers and moringa. And the next year it was sad to see this packaging material was there. We had just not knowingly stacked it under the moringa tree. Third year, the moringa sprouted, and in 6 months it grew back to the original size, giving. And we know that if, you cut the tail and the tail grows. Animals. Lizard. So if a lizard can have the power, if a tree can have the power, you don't have the power. Huh? What is the power we have? What is assimilation or what is real life? An inert subject becomes alert and it started growth. What is photosynthesis? In the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, you get food. This is what we learn. But actually what is the unknown inert substance, which the science calls as non-living, becomes living. So these are all our own description. But that is because we wanted to understand, which is very natural. You understand, you get celebrated. But don't change the basics, that's all I am saying. So now what has happened, by understanding photosynthesis, oxygen, why should I accept you are calling it as oxygen? I am saying it's prana.